Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find your iPhone running iOS 26. To do it, you'll need to go to another device, right? So let's say this iPhone that I have right here was lost. And if it's signed into an Apple ID, an Apple account, then it's easy to track it. All you need to do is go to a different device and either go to iCloud.com website, or if that device is an Apple device that belongs to you and is signed into the same Apple account, you'll need to just go to Find My. So I'm gonna go there, but if you just use another device, you can simply go to iCloud.com, or I think you can also go to account.apple.com. I don't know which one will work better. I'm gonna check it in a moment. Then you can sign in and it'll ask you to verify with a code. But if you don't get the code because it was sent to this iPhone which is lost, you still can scroll down a little bit and you'll see Find My, and you can click on that and you'll basically see a map that you will see in this app. Now if you go to devices, you'll see different devices, and I don't know why it doesn't locate this iPhone right here. I'm gonna try to open Find My on this one just to check if it's all fine. Okay, I think I'm not signed into my Apple account. But if you were, then you would have your iPhone listed here. You could play a sound, and you could also go to lost mode, or erase that device. So if someone gets your iPhone, then they can't use it. And I hope that this video was helpful. As the last thing, I'm gonna go to the iCloud.com website to see if it works there properly. Let's just go into a browser, go to iCloud.com, like that, and now let's sign in. And I'm actually not gonna use this Apple account sign-in tool because that'll make me skip the steps that you should see. So first I'm gonna enter the passcode, the email or phone number. Then let's wait a moment. And now you're here basically, but if you weren't, then you should still see Find My, and here you'll find your device. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.